Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today, before we get started, I'd like to talk to you for a minute. We are at the very beginning of celebrations, and celebration is a time during the year where Stampin' Up! Gives you bonuses. For every purchase that you make, $50 or more, you can receive a free stamp set, some kind of embellishment. This year, they also have $100 where you could even get some thimblets. There's different project kits, all sorts of stuff. You do not want to miss shopping during celebration. It is totally worth it. All the free products you get, it's amazing. I love celebration. It is the happiest time of my year. Now also, if you join my team, you can join for $99 and you'll still get the $125 worth of merchandise that you get to pick. You can pick from our new catalog, and you can also pick 2 free stamp sets valued at $101. Or if you host a party or a workshop during celebration, you have the potential to earn $25 more when you have a qualifying order. So I have already mailed out these catalogs along with the celebration brochures. If you do not have a demonstrator and you would like to receive a catalog, just shoot me an email at sheilastamps@gmail.com and I will get one in the mail for you. So let's get started on our project. We are going to be using a new celebration stamp set. I'm so excited! Let's get started! Okay, so this is the new Celebration Party Pandas, and it comes with 3 different pandas. We're going to be using the one with an envelope and the little sentiment that says hi. These are just so cute and they're so fun. You can earn those by making a $50 or more purchase in my online store at SheilaStamps.stampin'updemonstrator.net. I have a piece of Whisper White and the black archival ink, and then I have our cute little panda, and it's mounted on block D. And I want to make sure that he is good and covered. And we will just place him down right here. Perfect. And now I have the Emerald Envy. I'm so sad, guys. This ink is going to be going, this color is going to be going away. May 31st will be the last time you can get it. It'll be retiring and we'll get all new colors, or 5 more. And then we just want to put the hi right in the middle of the envelope, just like that. Okay, so I am going to bring in our Big Shot. And I have the layering ovals and also the stitch shapes. So we're going to be using the second to the largest stitch shapes and the third from the largest scallop oval. So let's get him centered on here. And then I have a piece of silver glimmer paper. run that through. And then pop him out. And then that piece, we are going to use the Big Shot for one more thing. I have the layered leaves and a piece of Emerald Envy, and that is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And then we'll just put that even in there. It is a dynamic folder, so we only need one top plate. And that's all we need the Big Shot for. And we can start putting this card together. Look at that. I love that. Okay, so with our piece of Emerald Envy, I have a piece of basic black shimmer ribbon. And I'm going to cut 2 pieces across. And I'll just get the same amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these down in the middle, but right next to each other, so it appears that there is a bigger piece of ribbon, a wider piece. So I'm going to get some Scotch tape, put that side down, and then another piece of Scotch tape to put this side. Alright, now I'm going to get some Snell adhesive, and I'm going to put this on all 4 sides. And I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I'm just going to center that just like that. Alright, now we'll come in with this little guy, and I'm actually going to put him down with some mini glue dots. The mini glue dots help it stay down on the glimmer paper a lot better. And I think I'm going to use about 5 just to make sure he stays intact. Alright, so just like that. And then we will center him. And now we will pop him up, you guessed it, with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And because we are making it a little bit wider, I'm avoiding putting it here in the middle. So we'll just peel the backs off of these. And place him down, just like that. There you have it, a quick and simple party panda card. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, if you need any of the supplies, you can go to my online store at sheilastamps.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!